Hey, so just testing this out. Um, Running this old Magic Chef. This is my first test to running the Ecoflow Pro here. Running watts looks like around 100. You see there, kind of bouncing back and forth, 100 to 99. About 7 hours of runtime on a fully charged battery. We could get more. This is a 7 cubic foot deep freezer, chest freezer that we're actually planning on upgrading. They've had this for over 10 years. It served us well, but we need a larger one. So we're looking at some of the Energy Star rated ones. It definitely, I think we'll even be able to get more runtime out of this small, relatively small power pack. I bought this one as a test of the Ecoflow products, and so far it's impressive. Definitely want to get a larger unit for a home. I want this one to be the more portable one when we're traveling around on the road and whatnot. So more to follow. Hello and welcome back to Ravenwood Acres. Thanks for watching today, and please check out our website, theravenwoodacres.com, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up. It will be much appreciated. So today we're going to be looking at the Ecoflow River Pro. Ecoflow is still running a sale. Product links down below. I got this model for $549. That's $100 off their MSRP, and that sale is still running. I believe, if I remember, till the 30th of June. Okay, so talk a little bit about specs. It's about 17 pounds. You see there, 11 inches by 7 by 9.3, capacity 720 watt hours. You can double that with an extension pack. Did double basically it's just the battery component, because this component has all the internal workings of the pure sine wave inverter, which we'll talk specs on that here in a second. Then the next is the front panel. You see the display. The USB has 3 USB ports, 2 standard, 1 rapid. Has also a USB-C that has a max output of 5 amps and 100 watts, which is pretty awesome. 2 barrel style DC output plugs just below the car output, or the cigarette lighter style one that is a 10 amp max, or 136 watts at 13.6 volts DC. So pretty extensive front panel. Has a little light built in there. You see here on this side, it's got that pure sine wave inverter, which is 600 watts or 1200 watts max output to surge, which is awesome. It ran our 7 cubic foot freezer just fine. It has a built-in power management system with a BPS protection from overvoltage, overloads, to basically protect that whole the sensitive electronics in that system. Pretty awesome product. Talk a little bit of full charge. It's going to take about 1.6 hours on AC. If you're using the car adapter, 4 to 8 hours. And then solar, obviously you have some variables there depending on how many solar panels you're putting into it. They do sell their own foldable solar, or you can, if you have solar at your home or whatever, you can just hook into that system. There's some temperature ranges there, 32 to 113. That could be significant for some people. And it does come with these cables, as you see here, the AC, the car adapter, and the solar set up in a barrel style DC cord, and of course instructions. Okay, so just to wrap up, final thoughts. As you can see, this little 16, 17 pound power pack has a lot of features that are pretty awesome. I didn't cover every single one, but as you can look into it yourself. As mentioned, they are running a sale right now, I believe through the 30th of June 2022. So if you're watching this in the future, sorry, but check back, because they tend to run sales. Since I've been affiliated with, yes, we are partnered with Ecoflow, and I did not make that decision at a whim. I did my research. There's a lot of good power pack companies out there, very competitive. We picked Ecoflow because I feel like they're at the tip of innovation with technology. And they met our needs, and I believe they're a little more costly, maybe than some of the other units, but from the reviews I've read and other YouTubers I've seen that have done reviews on them, I feel like they're a very reputable and high quality company. So it was worth to spend a little extra money with that peace of mind. I do have a 24-month warranty on this unit. We plan on expanding into probably the Delta Pro series, or they are getting ready to release a new system that's more like a for your home, like a Powerwall setup like Tesla makes, similar. That we're considering, because we are going to be adding some solar in the near future. I always hit this mic thing. Sorry. So those are things that we're going to be exploring, and instead of maybe putting money into a flooded lead acid battery setup that's going to require lots of maintenance, and it is cheaper. However, the lithium ion technology is pretty dang amazing, especially someone of my age that grew up with things that initially that were rechargeable were just garbage and a waste of money. Just amazing technologies. That's, like I said, that's one of the reasons I chose to partner with this company. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. You have questions, go ahead and put in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.